Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something really special for you. An exclusive look at the start of production for the brand new CUPRA Formentor. This is where design obsession meets cutting-edge technology. So let's dive right in. First up, feast your eyes on the new Matrix LED 3-triangle eye signature, making its debut for the first time. It's a game-changer in automotive lighting. And can we talk about the colors? The new Century Bronze Matte and Enceladus Gray Matte shades are filling the paint shop with some seriously cool vibes. Over at the Martorell plant, things are moving fast. A new CUPRA Formentor rolls off the assembly line every 69 seconds. That's thanks to more than 4,000 dedicated employees working with some of the most advanced technologies in the industry. Here's where it gets really interesting. The plant has implemented several innovative tools, including deep learning and top-notch digitalized systems, to ensure every detail is perfect. One standout is the Proofer Digital, an automatic station equipped with an artificial vision system that checks over 60 control points on each vehicle, covering both mechanics and wiring. The Smart Plug system is another piece of high-tech wizardry. It handles the assembly of over 90 electronic control units, starting up all the control units for up to 45 cars at a time remotely. Efficiency at its finest. And then there's the KTL oven, the first 100% electric transversal oven in the entire Volkswagen Group. It's involved in the paint drying process, provides an anti-corrosion layer, and takes up 42% less space than a conventional oven. Plus, it reduces energy consumption by up to 25%. Talk about innovation. Martorell isn't just any plant. It's the Volkswagen Group's third largest in Europe by volume. Marcus Haupt, CUPRA's Vice President for Production and Logistics, explains that they're integrating the most advanced technologies to transform and enhance the factory, making it more agile, sustainable, and profitable. CUPRA is investing more than 3 billion euros in the electrification of Martorell. The new CUPRA Formentor and CUPRA Leon will be among the first models to benefit from this massive investment, marking a new era for CUPRA. The new CUPRA Formentor and CUPRA Leon are redesigned for the new generation of drivers, with plug-in hybrid options offering more than 100 kilometers of all-electric range or new high-performance petrol engines. The CUPRA Formentor has already become an icon with over 347,000 units produced since its launch in 2020. 2023 was a big year for Martorell, celebrating its 30-year anniversary and growing its production by 21%. The factory is on track to become a hub for electric mobility in Europe, with the 100% electric CUPRA Reval set to roll off the production line by the end of 2025. So there you have it, a sneak peek into the cutting-edge production of the new CUPRA Formentor at Martorell. If you're as excited as we are, hit that like button, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive content on the latest in automotive innovation. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates from the world of CUPRA.